Welcome to QuickByte's Education. Today's QuickByte is all about CompTIA A Core 1 explained simply, quickly, and clearly. Let's get started. So, you want to get into IT, help desk, tech support, or computer repair, and you keep seeing the words CompTIA A certification. But what does that actually mean? Is it about fixing computers? Is it about networking? Is it about hardware? Is it the whole certification? Not exactly. CompTIA A Core 1 is the first half of the CompTIA A certification. To become A certified, you usually need to pass two exams, Core 1 and Core 2. Core 1 focuses more on the physical and technical side of IT, things like devices, hardware, networks, cloud basics, virtualization, and troubleshooting. The current CompTIA A Core 1 exam is commonly listed as 220-1201, and CompTIA describes it as covering foundational skills in hardware, networking, mobile devices, cloud, virtualization, and troubleshooting. Think of Core 1 as the exam that asks, can you understand the devices people use? Can you identify computer parts? Can you connect systems to networks? Can you troubleshoot when something stops working? That's why Core 1 is so important for beginner IT careers. If someone says, my laptop won't charge, my Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, my printer is not working, my monitor has no display, or my computer won't boot, Core 1 is where you start learning how to solve those problems. The first big topic is mobile devices. This includes laptops, tablets, smartphones, docking stations, batteries, displays, touchscreens, and mobile accessories. You may need to understand things like laptop RAM, storage drives, wireless cards, charging ports, and common mobile device issues. For example, if a user says their laptop battery drains too fast, Core 1 helps you think through possible causes, battery health, power settings, background apps, charging hardware, or even physical battery damage. Next is networking. This is one of the biggest parts of Core 1. According to CompTIA's A Core 1 and Core 2 overview, the Core 1 exam objectives include networking at 23% of the exam. Networking means understanding how devices connect and communicate. You'll see topics like Wi-Fi, routers, switches, IP addresses, DNS, DHCP, ports, protocols, and basic network troubleshooting. In plain English, this is the part that helps you answer questions like, why can't this computer reach the internet? Why does the Wi-Fi work in one room but not another? What does an IP address do? What is the difference between a router and a switch? Another major Core 1 topic is hardware. This includes motherboards, CPUs, RAM, storage drives, power supplies, cables, connectors, printers, monitors, and expansion cards. CompTIA lists hardware at 25% of the Core 1 exam objectives, making it one of the largest sections. This is the hands-on computer part. You learn what the parts are, what they do, and how they work together. For example, the CPU is like the brain of the computer. RAM is short-term working memory. Storage holds files and the operating system. The power supply sends power to the components. The motherboard connects everything together. Core 1 does not just ask you to memorize parts. It also expects you to understand how to choose, install, configure, and troubleshoot them. Core 1 also introduces virtualization and cloud computing. This sounds advanced, but the beginner idea is simple. Virtualization means running a computer inside another computer using a virtual machine. Cloud computing means using computing services over the internet, like cloud storage, web apps, hosted servers, or online platforms. CompTIA lists virtualization and cloud computing at 11% of the Core 1 exam objectives. So you do not need to become a cloud engineer overnight, but you do need to understand the basics. You should know terms like virtual machine, hypervisor, cloud storage, SaaS, IaaS, PaaS, public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Finally, Core 1 covers hardware and network troubleshooting. This is where everything comes together. Troubleshooting is the process of figuring out what went wrong and how to fix it. CompTIA's overview lists hardware and network troubleshooting at 28%, which makes it the largest Core 1 domain. That tells you something important. Core 1 is not just about knowing facts. It is about solving real problems. A good technician does not just guess. They follow a process. They identify the problem, test possible causes, apply a fix, verify that the issue is resolved, and document what happened. That could mean fixing a computer that will not turn on, diagnosing a bad cable, solving a printer problem, or figuring out why a network connection is slow. Now, here's the simple difference between Core 1 and Core 2. Core 1 is mostly about devices, hardware, networking, cloud basics, and troubleshooting. Core 2 usually focuses more on operating systems, security, software troubleshooting, and professional IT procedures. So if Core 1 is about the physical and connectivity side of IT, Core 2 is more about the software, security, and support side. You need both to complete the A+ certification path. So why should you care about CompTIA A+ Core 1? Because it builds the foundation for entry-level IT jobs. If you want to become a help desk technician, IT support specialist, field technician, desktop support technician, or start your path toward networking, cybersecurity, or cloud computing, Core 1 gives you the basics you need first. It helps you understand the technology people use every day, and more importantly, how to fix it when something goes wrong. So, quick recap. CompTIA A+ Core 1 is the first exam in the A+ certification path. It covers 5 major areas: mobile devices, networking, hardware, virtualization and cloud computing, hardware and network troubleshooting. Core 1 is all about understanding devices, connecting them, supporting them, and fixing common technical problems. And that's CompTIA A plus Core 1 in simple terms. If you're starting your IT journey, this exam helps you build the hardware, networking, and troubleshooting skills every tech beginner needs. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving one step closer to your IT career. Subscribe for more quick tech lessons from QuickByte's Education, where complex topics become simple, one quick bite at a time.